Do you want to turn off WhatsApp notifications? You can completely disable WhatsApp notification with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off WhatsApp notifications, first, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Now a new screen will appear. From here, find and select App Notifications. Scroll through the list of apps alphabetically until you find WhatsApp. Once found, tap on WhatsApp. You can also use the search box to find it. Here, you will see all notification settings. To hide notifications completely from WhatsApp, turn off the toggle switch button next to Show Notifications or Allow Notifications. Once disabled, WhatsApp will no longer send any notifications, including message alerts, group notifications, or call alerts.